Okay guys, welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today we'll be making some nice Dr. Fish guys, and some nice boiled banana and some pumpkin with some nice purple potato guys. Check out this one guys, this one. Nice one. Nice. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up STEAMED TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. The first one, Str8yaad TV, 1.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Str8yaad TV in the kitchen today guys. Guys, you know what this? This is Dr. Fish. Okay? In case you never know, just buck up on some nice Dr. Fish guys. I like how we come in hungry, quick and fast. We are going to steam up some Dr. Fish. See them nice and pretty? Yeah, so we are take them out of them thing. Put them now on the plate, run through them. Steam up some Dr. Fish quick and fast, the people. I want lime here, put pan in. I'll go wash it off. I'll get some lime juice on it. Now it go. I will wash up the fish them, even though we just buy them from the store and then clean them, we still have to go through them and fine tune them. You know how we are dealing with already. We have to go through and clean up the thing properly. So that's how we do it in the Str8yaad kitchen, okay? Wash up the thing them properly and go through them. Book up on the nice Dr. Fish guys, them nice, you know, we make all some fish water. You remember back in the days? But anyway, we're going to cook a fast, quick pot, guys. Come in hungry. We'll cook something fast, something quick and healthy. Real fast. So let me show you how we're going to cook today. We have some potato here, guys. This is the whole time potato, guys. If you ever know about this potato, you guys will eat it. This is one of the healthiest potato. Purple potato, guys. Asian based potato. Quick and fast we are dealing with, and some boiled banana and some pumpkin. That's all we're cooking. Something light, something fast and easy. We have some okra here we are going to steam down with the fish. Some carrot, some sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, with garlic and with onion. And you know how it go. We have 2 cilantro here and 2 basil. We are going to drop on it and we have time. We have a little bit of time and with garlic today. So with time here, we have to work with the time. And we have some garlic in our plate also, guys. So that's basically what we are going to do. So this is going to go quick and fast. So what we are going to do right now is run through them fish here, clean them up and come right back to you guys. You know how we do it already? Remember, when you come on the channel guys, like, share, comment and subscribe. If you come in, if you haven't subscribed as yet guys, please to do so. And guys, I'm telling you, when you're watching the video, please give it a thumbs up. Help the algorithm to share the video around guys. Okay? And it helps Str8yaad TV to share his content around the world. Okay? So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you all of my viewers and my subscribers. So see we have to run through it. You know when you get it, then just rough it up, you know. So we have to fine tune it how we want it. See all this thing here? You have to take it off. You have to carry 2 little bones on the bottom here. You have to cut them out, okay? For who don't know, no. Now you know. And who don't know, now you're gonna know. So I have to run through with fish like me say. So guys, we are going to clean up the fish them and come right back to you guys. So stay tuned. Str8yaad. Ready? Okay my people, so look at the fish them guys. So them beautiful and nice and clean. Guys, I'm going to teach you something with Dr. Fish. You know Dr. Fish have a rough smell and a rough taste sometimes. You see this piece under the gill? This is what causing it. So what you do, peel back the skin like how you see I peel back the skin here and take it out. I'm teaching you something new guys, if you don't know. See, I peel them back and get up under here and take out everything. Peel them back and take it out, okay? That's what makes it smell like that sometimes when you're cooking it. See, eh? Go in there and take them out. See, eh? Okay? So So it don't smell that rank. If you understand what I mean. Not really rank, you know, but smell of a high smell. Smell of a high fishy smell, okay? So, if you want to get rid of that high fishy smell, that's what you do. Okay? So I'm teaching you about that one. In case you don't know about that Dr. Fish soup, or steamed Dr. Fish, or roast in foil paper, one of the nicest fish if you know how to handle it, guys. So right away I'm going to go in with some black pepper, just black pepper and salt I'm going to use. Okay? I'm going to mix up some black pepper and some salt. Got some fresh grind black pepper here. I'm going to grind some black pepper. And just season them up with some salt. Salt and black pepper. Real flavor and real taste, okay? Some earth season. That is it. Right now we are going to add some salt to it, my peeps. Pink salt me have here. That is it. You know how it go when you mix these up, guys. Top class seasoning, okay? Yeah. Right away. Go in my belly with some seasoning. Just like that. See? Just like that. Another little cut here. Just like that. Going down same way. Big boy, yeah? Right portion of seasoning, the peeps. So we mix up seasoning, exact amount, okay? Alright, so that way I deal with. You don't want no water for all the water to drain off, okay? That is it. Basically, I hit that, you know, my peeps. So we're going again with some earth seasoning. And now, ground seasoning, you know, with scallion, with onion, with thyme, and with garlic, and all these things. I'll get them in and so well. Set this aside. Clean these up, my peeps, and come right back to you guys. Okay, so stay tuned, watch the video. Remember, like and share with people. So we'll clean up with ingredients them, and we're going to season them up on the fish right away because you know we're quick and fast thing, okay? So just stay tuned, watch the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad in the kitchen, run go over there and subscribe. Run go over there and watch the video, like and share the video then. Okay guys, we're teaching you from scratch all the time, you know. Okay, follow we step by step, you can't wrong. Okay, so one love all my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the long time subscriber, one love. All of my new time subscriber, blessed love. So stay tuned, we'll clean up these and come right back to you guys. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Okay, my beautiful people, quick and fast, we could drop them scallion, escallion. Some people call it green onion, you know how it go. Do a quick and fast season up on them fish like me say, guys. This one is quick and fast, something quick and fast to eat your deal with. Some thyme here. You know I don't like to cut up thyme, so we just spread them on because when them do the work done, we take them out and we throw them away. Going with some garlic. And guys, remember, safety first. You cannot angle the knife. Please to use the cutting board. Don't want you cut off a finger, okay? You know we're used to the knife. Well, the next peg of garlic. Quick and fast. Alright, we could get piece more onion, my peeps. Oh, we love onion, especially red onion, yeah? Nice. One of the best onion you can find. Alright. So we have top boat. It's a sweet pepper you're dropping pan right away too. Oh, we got to work already, my peeps. Pot of it nice. Steam up them fish right away. Some ground provision, some nice potato and some banana and pumpkin. You know how we go. One go. STR8yaad. Them kind of meal, yeah? They're very expensive, you know, people. Expensive meal, let me call them expensive meal. Real meal. Okay. We use off the whole of this piece. I will not like back none. This piece I can't throw it out. This is the bottom. Okay, guys? We'll not use that. Next piece of garlic, yeah. No, waste. No, waste. No, dash, wait. No more onion. A nice tomato, yeah, my pips. Now when we have steamed fish, we have to have a tomato. And what we are going to do now is squeeze out the seed them. Use out all what we can get. I use tomato, guys. I don't leave none now. That's why I like to buy them small. The thing must go. Alright. Now carrot, yeah? Now steamed fish and carrot, boy. Do it nice. White carrot on my people, in case you never see that one, yeah? Now you see it. That's what we are talking about. Alright, so we have okra them. Some small, so we're not cut them one day. They're very small, so we're not cutting those. Okay, my pips? Alright, we have some seasoning left as well. This now use. We have to stay tuned and watch when we are going to use them two pieces, okay? Some cilantro. And we have some parsley. First, we have some water on the fire. Drop a little bit of salt in it. Kill out any little thing out of the water. You know it go already. When we are cook, we have to have the salt in the water. So, we are going to make that come to a boil. And we are going to add with banana and with pumpkin. And with purple sweet potato, guys. So stay tuned for that part. We are going to line up this right now. We are going to the cooking. So we are going to turn this on too. And we can go and dry out. And then we are going to start cook the fish right now, my people. So stay tuned. This one's quick and fast, healthy. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch the video, guys, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Come in the kitchen and watch Straight Yard. Up and running. Guys, so right now, pot dry. Drop a little bit of olive oil on it. Pot well hot, my peeps. Well hot. Cool him down a little bit. Too hot. Right now we are going to cook the garlic, my people. Season up the oil, you know it go. Well, them pot well hot, so I can cool it down. Because we'll take these out back and them start burn already. You don't need a burn garlic in a pot. Okay? Just letting you know that, guys. So as soon as it burn out, you take him out back. Cool down the pot, okay? Get ahead and now with the cooking, you know. Take out back them garlic rice from them burn. You don't need them in the pot, okay? I already got some flavor, so we are going to now. Put this carrot them. You know how we go already in my teeth. It's not easy something to cook. The carrot will take a little bit longer, you know. So we are going with the carrot and go blanch them up right away. All the rest of the ingredients I have in the plate here, it's very easy to cook. Okay, my peeps. Time in my pot too. Get some flavor out of that. Alright, the people, what we are going with here. What I'm going with himself. Smell nice and lovely. Alright, people, so you know, I like cook with my ginger, you know. Can't let my golden spice in. Drop some ginger in my fish. There we go. Nice. Like me say, a wee name flavor, okay? All the food is full of flavor. Alright, my peeps, so right away, we are going with all of the rest of the ingredients right now, you know. Kelly and onion, thyme, garlic, everything are going right now. All of the ingredients are going right in a pot here now. In a pot. I like to tell my people I want to quick and fast and easy, nice and delicious. And if you don't know about Dr. Fish, guys, check it out. Nice fish in the ocean. Nice to steam, nice to make fish tea, nice to fry roast. You do anything you want to do with Dr. Fish, guys. Dr. Fish are nice fish. I like other people say they have a high fishy smell and taste, so that's why I show you how to clean it. To get rid of that, okay? Alright, let's do it. Alright, the fips. We are going there. When the pot look nice and delicious already. Can't wait to taste them Dr. Fish I know people. So here we are going. We are going to make them vegetables cook up a little bit. Cover up the pot. And make the fire. Do some work. Okay, my peeps? Because right away, we have the pot over here so I boil up. So we have to go ahead, get the banana ready, and get me pumpkin and me potato ready. Right now, my peeps, I'm going to peel up the banana them. Get them ready. Put in all the pot start boil up already. Right, peeps, so right now we are go ahead and peel up the banana them. Put them in a pot. Guys, when you peel banana, I always keep them in up water. That's them I go turn black. It's a little simple tip I'm telling you, okay? Or you can put a little oil in the pot also. If you boil banana and the skin get black. But I never get black enough because I know how to cook banana. Or you can put piece of the skin in the pot also. Like piece of the skin in the pot. When you boil the banana, so you don't get black. So it's pretty, guys. Yeah. Real potato, okay? Try it, guys. You never miss. This one is called purple potato. Asian days purple potato, okay? You have the yellow one too, you know. Just remember, guys, when you're eating this type of food, healthy. This one is like St. Vincent yam, guy. You know St. Vincent? This is the same thing, like same color like St. Vincent, you know. If anybody knows St. Vincent yam, type in the comments and tell me if you know St. Vincent yam, guys. One of the top class yam. Very good and healthy. Tell me if you know it. Okay? This is the same thing almost. This when you put this in the water, you know, guys. This do the same thing like St. Vincent, you know. This it change the water color to the same color of this looks. Okay? I bust that one along in the center there. Heavy and strong, you know, people. When I say strong, it's strong. You know if you deal with it. See there? So nice and pretty. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. And it's very easy to cook, guys. This is why I'm putting everything in the pot one time. Because all of them take the same amount of time to cook. Trust me. So, we're gonna head straight to the pot now and put this in the pot. So stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Alright, my peeps. Pot a boil up. So I go ahead and add this sweet potato. I never see these one before, now you see them. These are nice and healthy. Purple potato, my peeps. Okay? Go ahead and drop in your banana them. Like I tell you, something to eat you do quick and fast. Just woke up on in doctor, I say, yeah, perfect doctor we are dealing with now. Put the pumpkin them on top, because you know the pumpkin them eat if it mash. Yeah. This is what we're talking about, okay? Guys, you see the color of the water already? Look. This is gonna change. This water is gonna change to the same purple color. That to show you how strong it is. Full of energy. Full of vitamin. So I'm gonna cover up the pot right now and make the fire. Continue to do some work. Then we're gonna get back to the fish and my peeps. So by the time that done cook, the fish done cook too. Okay? Alright people, so we'll get back to this right now. Get back to the doctor here. So, like we say, let's steam out this. Just the ingredients we want out there. Just them parts here, okay? Can't use little of that, but just these parts we want out of it. Alright, the peeps. We'll go ahead and add a little water to it now. So you know we are cook down the fish now, you know. Fish are going to get ready. Ready up. Fish are going to get ready up, you know. Yeah. See? This is what we're talking about. Okay? Just a little bit more water to it. Kick up the fire, put in the okra, and get ready to put in the fish, okay? Yeah, this is what we're talking about. Yep. So right away, we are going to cover it up with the fire. Do a little bit more work, my people. So as soon as that blanch up a little bit more, then we're going to add the okra and add the fish. So stay tuned for that. What's Str8yaad TV? Yeah, my peeps, look at the pot. Look at the food pot. I tell you the color is going to change. The water is going to change. You see that color? Purple color. That's how this potato is powerful. Okay? I'll cover it up back and make it finish cook. Get back to the fish, guys. Right now we are going to drop in the okra them and go on to themselves and all the fish easy to cook in my peeps. Doctor fish them here. So get the ingredients ready for the doctor, okay? So the pot look nice and lovely, my people. Pot look nice and lovely. So you know me I will go for you now put in my pot. Nice, catchy. Can't cook it out with scotch bonnet pepper, you know, people. So you get the scotch bonnet and come back right, you know. Yeah, my people. See scotch bonnet, yeah? In a pot. Here you go. We're not bust it yet, you know. So I cover back the pot. I make the fire take time go and doing thing. Because we're soon ready to add the fish. Guys, we soon finish cook. So get ready, we're soon ready to eat. So stay tuned. One Str8yaad TV up and running, guys. And remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Every time you see we in the kitchen and cook up some hearty and some healthy meals, guys. So try them at home and drop it in the comments and tell me how they taste. So stay tuned, guys. One Str8yaad TV up and running. So like how we are going to soon drop in the fish, we are going to season up the pot now. So that's some fresh cilantro here and some fresh parsley. Add it to the pot right now. You know, soon drop in the fish them and soon finish cook. Okay. Get some nice flavor in our pot here now. Yeah, my people. That's what we are talking about. Pot looking lovely. Alright, so we'll cover it up. You cook out a little bit more. And then we are going to add the fish then. You know how it go. Stay tuned. STR8yaad TV. Continue to do some work until we get back to you guys. Alright, my people. Right now. Start going with them Dr. Fisher. Nice Dr. Fisher. We are going with them. Going with them right away. Right away. Alright, my people. Now how it goes. The ingredients are going there too. Everything must go. All of the garlic and all this seasoning and everything must go, okay? So right away, you know how it's going. You can know. But you are going nice, people. That touchdown, you know. And when that touchdown, you know how it go. So we'll cover up back the pot, you know. And make the fire do some work, people. Because we're going, you know, let them kick up and then we're going to turn them over and you know how it go already. Finish steam them out. So stay tuned. Watch the end result. It's all nice and delicious. So just wait for that. Alright, my people. So I'm going to tell you how the water color I go look. Okay. I'm going to tell you the sauce, well cooked already. Everything cooked. Everything is already cooked, okay? So I'm going to turn this fire off. Get ready to eat, guys. Look at it. Tell you the water is going to change in here. See that water? You see the color of this water? This is the power of that potato. So I'm going to cover it up back and get ready for we eat some food, my people. So we finish cooking now, you know. So now stay tuned. I'll wait for the fish to touch down a little bit more. And then we're done. So you want to take a look at the fish, guys? Oh, look at that. Pure niceness in the pot, guys. Look at it. Nice and beautiful. What we are talking about, you know, people. So we have cooked some fish, steamed fish and some okra. And Dr. Fish. Yeah, man. What we are talking about. The ingredients on the bottom there, you know, guys. So wait till me share out to go and see what's going. That juice, nice to drink, guys. Powerful. Very strong. So we are going to get down and share out, guys. Touch it down a little bit more and then we're going to serve out, okay? So stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Okay, guys, so now this is the ending of the nice delicious food that we just cooked, guys. Check it out. Okay, guys, so this is Dr. Fish. Dr. Fish. We have some okra. We have a pumpkin over here. We have a banana. And with purple sweet potato, guys. With some okra, scallion, thyme, garlic, and carrot. You know how it go. So, guys, look at it. Check it out. My nice scotch bonnet pepper put on here, guys. I'm gonna break it when I'm eating. This one is delicious, guys. You need to check it out. You need to try it and tell me how it's tastes. One STR8yaad TV, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad always cooking up some nice meal, guys. So go and check him out. Subscribe to his channel. When you're watching the video, give it a thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Check in on the channel, guys. One STR8yaad TV. We out.